5 things which I knew when I was new to trading. That is going to be the topic for today's video. Why I am making this video on this subject? Because when I started trading in 2004, that was almost 16 years back, I was just a novice trader. And I did lot of mistakes when I was new to trading, and I don't want you to repeat that mistake what I did 16 years back. I want you to learn from my mistake. I want you to profit from my mistake so that you don't do the same mistake. You don't go through the same pain what I have gone through when I was new to trading. So that is the objective of today's video on 5 things which I knew when I was new to trading. If you don't know my background, I am just a BSc graduate. And as you know that if you are just a BSc graduate without any good marks, only thing you can easily get is sales job. That is what I got after completion of my BSc almost 20 years back. I started as a sales representative for a pharmaceutical company. After working for 4-5 years in sales and marketing field, I was really bored of my job. I was really not enjoying my job, and somehow I wanted to come out of my job. I was hating the office politics. I was hating that monotonous job. I was not liking reporting to some bosses. I did not like somebody to tell me what is my worth, how much salary I should get, what should be my appraisal, how good I am, how bad I am. I did not want somebody to tell me all these things. I wanted to become my own boss. I wanted to become independent, and that is why I decided I will not do the job, I'll become a trader. This photo what you are seeing now, this photo was taken in year 2004. And you can see that I am wearing the formals with the bag and all this. And you can see happiness on my face. Why that happiness you can see on my face? Because that was my last day in sales job. That is what I thought way back in 2004. And that is why you can see that happiness on my face, because I thought I will never come back to my job and I will be a full-time trader. But that was the last mile in year 2004. That means next day I became a trader, and I don't think after that I smiled any day in year 2004. Because I was only losing money in stock market, my losses were becoming bigger and bigger, and journey as a trader in my first attempt was a disaster one. After 8 months, I was back to where I came from, because again I had to go back to my sales and marketing job, because I blown up my account in trading. I did not have any money, everything I lost in trading. So I had to go back to my job to earn my salary. That is how my journey started in 2004. So that is why I don't want you to do this mistake, so that you don't have to go through all this pain, so that you will do trading in a systematic way. So that is the objective of today's video on 5 things which I knew when I was new to trading. And now comes the first one. First one, I wish when I started trading in 2004, someone told me that you should start small. I did not believe in trading small. I had worked for 4-5 years in pharmaceutical companies, and I had some good savings, and also I withdrawn my provident fund money. I withdrawn my PF, I had my savings, everything I put it in trading without even thinking anything. So that means I thought I'll put the bigger money, I make bigger profit, but it backfired. That means never start with a big money when you are new to trading. Because you should remember, trading is all about mind game. It's all about handling the emotion in the live market. Because when your money is on the line, we tend to do mistake. We get scared when position going against us. We keep the hope that it will go up and we will make profit. At least I can get out at the break even. But same time when position goes in your direction, you cut your position too early, thinking that if I don't take my profit, this profit also will go away. Emotion is different when you are trading small. Emotion is different when you are trading big, because money is involved, and as a human being we all are emotional about money. So that is what the mistake I did when I was new to trading. That is, I did not realize that I had to trade small. So my advice to all new traders over there who are watching this video, if you are new to trading, never trade with big position, start small. And now comes the second one, that is focus on risk. Wish someone told me this: focus on risk, don't focus on profit. Focus on just controlling your risk, minimizing the risk. So that is what somebody told me then. Maybe I did not have to go through all these financial losses when I was new to trading. For remember, if you want to become a good trader, it's not about only strategy, you need to have a different mindset, because trading works against human nature and against human behavior. That is why most of the people, they lose money in trading. To give an example, you know that in our life we always want to be right, right? We always want to be right. We never want to be wrong. Even when we are wrong, still we argue that we are right. It can be at your home, it can be at your office, it can be even in traffic when you are driving your car. Every time you will get into argument to prove that you are right, right? And second reason is money is emotional to all human beings. We all are emotional about money. From the beginning, from our childhood, every teacher, every parents, every teacher, everyone told us that money is something you should be always careful. You should not lose money. Money doesn't grow on the trees. You must have heard of some seniors were saying when you are small, money doesn't grow on tree. So don't waste money. Money is something should be always you should save. So that is how we grown up as an adult, thinking that money is something we should not lose. That is the mistake happens in trading. Because when you take a trade and the trade goes against your direction, you start fighting with the market to recover your money. Either you start averaging it or you start taking the revenge trade. Somehow you want to take your money back, whatever the money you lost in market, right? That is what happens in market. We don't give up until we recover the money. It only leads to disaster. That means as a human being, we think that we have to be right. We have taken a direction in a market. We have taken a long direction. If market is going against our direction, now we have to be right. How we can be right? We have to start fighting. As market is going down, we have to keep averaging it or keep praying to God that let market go in our direction, because somehow we want to be right. Remember, that doesn't work in market. That doesn't work in trading, because that is what mistake I used to do. When I was new to trading, I never thought about risk. I always dreamed about profit. I always thought that trading means it's about fighting with the market every day morning 9:15 to 3:30 and trying to make the profit. Somehow at the end of the day you have to be in green. So that is what I thought trading is all about, making profit every day. But that is not true. Trading is all about losing small whenever you are wrong, because in trading no one can be right all the time. You can't be right all the time. There are chances that when you take a trade goes against your direction, cut your losses quickly. So that means whenever you are wrong, don't keep any hope or don't fight with the market, cut your losses quickly. Yes, as a human beings, we feel uncomfortable squaring off our position in the loss, right? As a human beings, we are very emotional about money. It is very uncomfortable. That is why I said trading, you should have a different mindset. You should not worry about cutting your losses quickly. If you know that your trade is going against your direction, cut your losses quickly, no questions asked. That is what you have to do. Focus on risk. And I never did that. I always thought of making profit. So that's why my losses were very big when I was new to trading. So that is why my advice to all of you, focus on risk. Professional traders, they are successful not because they have some magic strategy, magic indicator, because they focus on risk first. Their focus will be always on risk. They follow risk management. And now the third one is stick to one method. I wish someone told me this when I was new to trading. Just stick to one method irrespective of result. So that means what mistake I did when I was new to trading, I must have used almost all the indicators. Start from RSI, MACD, Bollinger Band, Super Trend, all kind of indicator I was trying every day. I never knew that I should stick to one method. Suppose if I taken a trade based on RSI and if I made a profit, I used to feel very happy that this is a good system, this is a good strategy, I made a profit today. If next day that strategy fails, I used to feel bad thinking that that strategy doesn't work. Then I used to go to Bollinger Bands. As long as it is giving me profit, I was happy. And if it hits my stop loss, I used to feel that strategy is not good. That is how I used to jump from strategy to strategy without realizing that there is no perfect 100% strategy in trading. So that means never keep jumping from strategy. Any strategy you think that even it works 50% of the time, that means you have a good strategy. Because in trading, there is no strategy which works all the time. Stop running behind holy grail strategy. You need a good strategy, no doubt. You need to have a strategy which has back tested one, which is a robust strategy, which is a high probability strategy. But there is no strategy which works 100% of the time. Nothing works 100% in market. It's all about probability and risk management. And now fourth one is, you should know market will open tomorrow unless today is Friday. That means you should know that market will open next day Monday to Friday, every day market opens except Saturday, Sunday. I used to think that if I made a loss in the morning, somehow I had to recover same day. Before market closes at 3:30, I had to recover my loss. I should recover my loss before market closes. And that only leads to big losses because you keep taking revengeful trades. You keep fighting with the market. You don't wait for the right setup, and only leads to disaster. So remember, market will be there, market will not go anywhere. Market will open tomorrow, market will open next week, market will open next month, market will open next year, market may hopefully open for even next 100 years. Market will not go anywhere, so you don't have to recover your loss on the same day. So that means if you made a loss, you don't have to recover the loss same day. There are ample opportunities comes in the market. How many days in a year? 365 days in a year. If you remove Saturday, Sundays, if you remove public holidays, how many days approximately you'll get? You'll get around 220 trading days in a year. So that means out of 220 days, if you miss one day, still there are 219 days left in a year. So if you miss 2 days, still there are 218 trading days in a year. So see how many opportunities you will get in a year. So that means there is always a tomorrow in the market, because market opens tomorrow also. And now the last one and the fifth one, I wish someone told me that education is key in trading. If you want to become a good trader, if you want to become a successful trader, education is very important. If you want to buy a lottery ticket, you don't need any education. You don't need any knowledge. If you are lucky, you may win the bumper prize. If you go to the casino, you don't need any education. You don't need any knowledge. If you are lucky, you may hit the jackpot. If you go to horse racing, you can bet on the horse, and if you are lucky, you may make a big money in horse racing, because that all you don't need education, you don't need knowledge. Even I used to think that trading also like that, it's all about luck. I thought trading is a luck, and if I am lucky, I'll make money. Trading is not about luck. Trading also like other profession. If you want to succeed in trading, you need to have the knowledge. You need to have the knowledge about technical analysis. You need to have the knowledge about how to analyze the chart, how to read the chart, price action. You need to know about the risk management. So there are so many things in trading. It's not only about luck. I wish someone told me this when I started trading, that it's not about luck. Education is the key. You should spend time on education, then only come to trading. So these are the 5 things which I wanted to highlight here, so that you don't do the same mistake what I did way back in 2004. If you think anything else I missed it, or if you want to add anything else, put it in the comment section so that it can be useful for new trader. So guys, that's it about the video on 5 things which I knew when I was new to trading. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, then hit that like button, consider subscribing to my channel, and share it with your trading communities. If you want to learn more about the day trading, then you can go below this video. In the description section, I have given the detail about my upcoming webinar on day trading. So if you want to learn more about day trading, then you can click the link below this video, and you can contact me on WhatsApp or email, and you can enroll for my upcoming webinar. So that's it guys. Thanks for your support for my YouTube channel, and I'll keep uploading educational videos like this. Thanks and take care.